Beat plastic pollution. Go green, love your environment. How to beat plastic pollution? Refuse disposable plastics. Refuse single serving packaging. Pressure your municipality to put in place deposit schemes. Bring your own coffee mug. Find innovative ways to replace single-use plastic in your everyday life. Choose reusable lunch bags. What can you do? If you cannot reuse it, refuse it. Some simple way to reduce plastic pollution. Wean yourself off disposable plastics. 90% of the plastic in your daily lives are used once and then chucked, like grocery bags, plastic wrap, disposable cutlery, teacup, etc. Make a habit yourself to replace such products with reusable version. For example, bring your own bags to the store, travel with your own mug, etc. Stop buying plastic bottle packet liquids. Each year, close to 20 billion plastic bottles are tossed in the trash. Make a habit to carry a reusable bottle in your bag. Use good quality local tap water. Municipal or local parties should provide good quality filtered drinking water. Boycott microbeads. These little plastic scrubbers found in so many beauty products like facial scrubs, toothpaste, body washes might look harmless, but their tiny size allows them to slip through water treatment plants. Unfortunately, they also look just like food to some marine animals and harmful to them. Use optional products like natural exfoliants like oatmeal or salt. Cook more, making habit to prepare your own meals. It will reduce the purchases of plastic packet products and finally minimize plastic pollution. Purchase items second hand. Now toys and electronic gadgets especially come with all kinds of plastic packaging, from those frustrating, hard to crack shells to twisty ties. Search the shelves of thrift stores, neighborhood garage sales, or online posting for items that are good when previously used. Recycle used plastic. Plastic recycling refers to the process of recovering waste or scrap plastic and reprocessing into useful product. Less than 14% of plastic packaging is recycled. Recycle as much as plastic to minimize plastic pollution. Use recycled plastic in different fields. Put pressure on manufacturers, local authorities. Pressuring local authorities to make awareness among people so they keep themselves away from plastic. Pressuring manufacturers to produce less harmful and biodegradable plastic. Pressuring food supplier to use non-plastic packaging as possible as. Pressuring municipal to collect used plastic properly for recycling. Buy in bulk. Make a habit to buy often and select the bigger container instead of buying several smaller ones over time. If you cannot reuse plastic, refuse it. Make awareness to the people about the effect of plastic pollution to the environment. Redesign and innovate. Innovate new method to design alternative to non-degradable plastic and new better recycling process. In summary, how to beat plastic pollution. Rethink plastics. Redesign and innovate. Make plastic products easier to recycle. Improve waste collection, sorting and reprocessing. Scale up the adoption of reusable plastic packaging. Establish a global plastic protocol. Create viable markets for recycled plastics. Put in place deposit schemes. Establish clear regulatory frameworks for biodegradable plastics. Thank you.